Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get rid of mixed playlists on YouTube. These automatically generated playlists can sometimes clutter your feed. We will cover why these mixes appear, and then dive into practical steps to manage them. You will learn how to prevent new mixes from forming and how to delete existing ones from your library. By the end, you will have a clearer, more personalized YouTube experience. To stop new mix playlists from appearing, the first step is to manage your activity. You can pause your watch history and search history in your YouTube settings. This prevents the platform from using your past activity to generate new, unwanted mixes. Additionally, clearing your existing history can give you a fresh start, significantly reducing the likelihood of new mixes being created based on old data. Removing existing mix playlists is straightforward. First, go to your YouTube library, which is usually found on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you see the Mixes section or Individual Mix Playlists. Click the three-dot menu next to the specific mix you want to delete. From the options, select Remove and confirm your choice. This action will permanently delete the mix from your library. Beyond deleting mixes, you can take broader steps to manage your YouTube experience. Regularly review your privacy settings and activity controls to limit how much data YouTube collects. You can also provide feedback on specific videos you dislike, helping the algorithm understand your preferences better. For truly private viewing, consider using incognito mode, which prevents your activity from influencing recommendations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.